In this video, I'll show you how to use Mailchimp for advanced customer segmentation. Whether you're looking to increase your email marketing effectiveness or personalize your campaigns, Mailchimp's segmentation tools can unlock powerful targeting for your audience. Stick around till the end because I'll be revealing a pro tip that can take your segmentation to the next level, and there's something extra you can get by using our exclusive offer. First off, Mailchimp's segmentation capabilities are perfect for tailoring your communications. Start by leveraging the Audience tab, where you can create tags to organize subscribers based on various behaviors or demographics. These tags will allow you to send personalized emails that cater to specific needs, making your outreach much more impactful. Next thing, let's talk about using conditions to create more detailed segments. You can combine multiple conditions using and/or logic. For example, you could target subscribers who clicked on a product link in the past month but haven't purchased yet. This can help you send more relevant follow-ups that convert better. The third thing you should know is Mailchimp's ability to segment by data fields. This means you can use customer information like location, sign-up date, or a purchase history to create dynamic segments that update automatically. For instance, if a customer recently made a large purchase, you could send them exclusive offers or special content based on their purchase behavior. Now, the fourth thing to consider is utilizing Mailchimp's automation features with segmentation. Once you have your audience segmented, use automation workflows to send targeted campaigns at the right moment. Whether it's a welcome series for new subscribers or a re-engagement campaign for inactive ones, automated emails based on your segment save time and boost results. And next, I want to show you how to use the advanced segmentation filters, like engagement levels and purchase frequency. These filters help refine your segments even further, ensuring you're sending highly personalized content to the right people. If you want your campaigns to feel more like a conversation than a mass email blast, this is the feature to master. Lastly, make sure you're testing your segments. After you've created them, run A/B tests to see which ones perform the best. This gives you a clear picture of what content resonates most with different segments of your audience and allows you to tweak your future campaigns for maximum impact. Before we wrap up, remember that you can try Mailchimp for free with a special extended trial by clicking the link in the description below. You'll get access to all these advanced features and more with our exclusive bonuses. If you want to see faster growth and better customer connections, Mailchimp's advanced segmentation tools are the way to go. Happy emailing!